Why do children light up when they master something new, or keep repeating a task they love? The answer lies in a tiny but powerful chemical in the brain called dopamine. It's the reason learning feels good, and motivation stays alive. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, which means it's a messenger that helps brain cells communicate. Dopamine doesn't just make us happy. It drives us to act, to explore, and to learn. When we expect a reward or feel proud after success, dopamine levels rise. That small surge tells the brain, yes, do that again. It's how motivation and curiosity are built, one experience at a time. In the classroom, this system is always at work. Every time a child chooses an activity, tries, and succeeds, dopamine helps the brain link effort to reward. Over time, this shapes long-term habits of focus and persistence. The prefrontal cortex, which manages attention and planning, and the striatum, the brain's motivation hub, work together through dopamine signals, guiding the child to repeat what feels meaningful. Too much control or pressure can block this natural flow. When children feel anxious or micromanaged, the reward system shuts down, and learning stops feeling joyful. Dr. Montessori's approach fits this biology perfectly. In her classrooms, children choose real, purposeful work that offers instant, satisfying feedback. A child pouring water, polishing brass, or matching shapes feels a small sense of mastery each time, and with it, a natural release of dopamine. That's what keeps them engaged without needing stickers or praise. Freedom within structure allows dopamine to do its job, connecting effort, success, and joy. So the next time you see a child repeating a favorite task with calm focus, remember, their brain is rewarding itself for learning. Each drop of dopamine is shaping a lifelong love of discovery.